everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's start. Today we're diving headfirst into the future of sports cars with the 2025 Lotus Emeya. This isn't just another electric sedan, it's a four-door hyper GT that rewrites the rules of the game. Forget everything you thought you knew about Lotus. They've taken their 75 years of racetrack-honed expertise and thrown it into a futuristic blender with the latest EV tech. The result, a machine that's as thrilling to drive as it is sustainable to own. Design. First things first, the Emeya's looks are pure adrenaline. Imagine a sculpted wedge of carbon fiber, adorned with aggressive air intakes and a low-slung silhouette. It's not just pretty, though. Every curve is meticulously designed for aerodynamic efficiency, generating downforce that pins you to the asphalt as you unleash the beast within. And what a beast it is. Lotus hasn't skimped on power. We're talking dual electric motors spitting out a mind-blowing 1,800 horsepower that catapults you from 0 to 60 in a neck-snapping 2.3 seconds. But it's not just about raw speed. The Emeya boasts a torque vectoring system that dances around corners with the grace of a ballerina on caffeine. But wait, there's more. Active aerodynamics adapt to your driving like a chameleon, maximizing downforce and minimizing drag. Think of it as a giant, invisible wing that adjusts on the fly. Interior. Step inside the Emeya and prepare to be wowed. The cabin is a luxurious haven of sustainable materials, where sleek lines and minimalist design reign supreme. Think recycled leather, sustainably sourced wood trim, and touchscreens galore. The driver's cockpit is all about focus. A panoramic head-up display projects vital information onto the windshield, while a digital instrument cluster keeps you in tune with the car's pulse. And if you crave the ultimate driving experience, opt for the optional 55-inch augmented reality head-up display. It's like having a virtual racetrack projected onto the road ahead. But the Emeya isn't just about performance, it's about connection. A suite of high-powered features anticipates your needs, from adjusting the climate to suggesting the perfect driving route. Think of it as your own personal automotive concierge. The 2025 Lotus Emeya is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's proof that electric vehicles can be exhilarating, sustainable, and undeniably sexy. It's the dawn of a new era for Lotus, and a glimpse into the future of high-performance motoring. So, are you ready to rewrite the rules? Head over to the Lotus website to learn more about the Emeya and join the revolution. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button for more automotive adventures.